What if you could upload your render and get structured feedback on lighting, composition, and materials instantly? That is exactly what I built today, a real working app, no coding required. The link is already in the description if you want to try it. Now let me show you how I built it. I will be using ChatLLM by Abacus AI for this. Many AI models, image and video generation, and a coding agent that builds full apps with no code, all for $7 a month. Inside ChatLLM, the first thing I will do is select the agent mode. This is the one you want for building apps. You can see at the bottom there are already some templates, things like AI recruiting app, a personal agent, an AI stock investor, but I want something specific. So I just type create an AI render feedback tool where students upload their render and AI gives structured feedback on lighting, composition, and materials. And now, instead of just building something generic, the AI asks me specific questions first. What platform, web or mobile? Does it need user accounts? How should feedback be delivered? Text, visual annotations, or both? What file formats? And what extra features do I want? And so I give my answer. Web application, yes, user authentication, both text and visual feedback, JPEG and PNG, feedback history, before and after comparison, a score for each category, and PDF export. And now I just wait a couple of minutes for it to develop the initial app. Let's have a look at the app. It created a full sign-in and sign-up screen, a tagline, get AI-powered feedback on your renders, and named it Render Critic. I did not ask for any of that, the AI came up with it. If you want, you can be specific towards that, but for now, that will do. So I sign up with my email and password, and here's my dashboard. 0 renders, average score 0, and the compare feature is already there. I'll upload the first render. I am going to start with a really bad one. That's way too dark, and click Analyze Render. So overall score is 60, lighting 58. As you can see, it highlights the problem areas directly on the image. Areas extremely dark, too little for detail. On the right side, you get all the details, strengths, areas to improve, and you can export everything as a PDF. Now let me upload my final render, the good version. Overall 82, lighting almost 80, composition 81. It picks out specific things. The cloud pendant is a strong structural centerpiece, but also flags the overexposed window and says the fabric texture could use more variation. Now the compare feature. I set the before and after and click compare. The AI says the after render is a major upgrade in both realism and visual storytelling, transforming a bare, underlit room into a warm, lived-in interior with clear design intent. It still notes some grain and a few assets feeling slightly stylized. There is always room to improve, but at some point you have to decide what is good enough. I want to add one more thing. I type, can we add an option where the AI improves the image for you, not for the final image, but as a visual reference of what you need to do? The AI starts building the app immediately. The new feature is ready. I upload the render, analyze it, and now there is a new button, AI Improve. I click it, it generates a new version of the image based on the feedback. But there's a problem with this. The result is too small. So I just type. The AI generation window should be bigger, occupying most of the screen, and show a before and after slider. After the update, much better. Now I can clearly see what has changed. More contrast, better shadow depth, improved detail. The position of elements looks better too. The AI image is not your final render. It is a reference. Use it to get ideas. Adjust the wood texture, fix the overexposed area, improve the composition. Then go back into your software and apply what makes sense. But as with everything, do not take everything it says for granted. Use it as a starting point and make your own judgment of what looks right. I asked the AI, what else would you add to improve this app? It suggested progress tracking and analytics, project organization, group renders by project, custom feedback focus, shareable feedback links, contextual learning tips, and style-specific analysis. I decided to add all of them except style-specific analysis. I also asked for a chart showing your scoring history over time. Okay, now there is an analytics button. Click it and you see a curve of your scores over time. You can literally watch yourself improve. Average score per category is also there. So when uploading a render now, it asks what you want to focus on. I type camera angle and lighting. The feedback comes back tailored exactly to that. There is also a share button, but when I click it, it gave an error. Fixing it was simple. I just copied the error, pasted it into the chat and said, when I click share, it gives this error. Can you fix it? Again, just wait a couple of minutes to find and fix the error, and it should be good to go. One more thing, projects should have a privacy option, public or private. So I asked the AI to add that. Now, when you open a project, you see the name, the tags, and the toggle to make it public or private. You can copy the link and share it with anyone you want. And to make the app live, just click the deploy. You can connect a custom domain, use a subdomain, or use the Abacus AI domain. That's the one I'll be using for this. I named it Render Critic and hit deploy. And that's it, the app is live. Sign in, sign up, upload renders, track your progress, compare before and after, and share your projects. I am making this public so you can try it yourself. The link is in the description. Let me know in the comments what would you add or improve. I'm really curious what can be added to make this really solid. So that is how you build a real working AI app with no coding at all. You just describe what you want, answer a few questions, and iterate. The tool I use is ChatLLM by Abacus AI. It gives you access to all the major AI models in one place, including the agent mode you saw here for just $7 a month for the first month. The link is in the description. If this was useful, hit the like button, it helps other people find this video. Subscribe for more content on AI tools and workflows for 3D visualization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.